Welcome back to Wild Nature Channel. Today, we will learn about a very familiar and important insect in the ecosystem, the bee. From pollinating crops to producing honey, bees play an indispensable role in our daily lives. Let's explore the magical life of bees right now. Bees have three main parts: head, thorax, and abdomen, with thin wings and strong legs. They are covered with tiny hairs that help collect pollen as they fly from flower to flower. There are over 20,000 different species of bees worldwide, including honeybees and wasps. From worker bees, queen bees to soldier bees, each species has a special task in the hive. Bees are not only hard workers who produce honey, but they are also natural pollinators, helping plants grow and thrive. More than 75% of the world's crops depend on bee pollination. They help sustain plant life and contribute to global biodiversity. Bees live in colonies with a tightly organized system. In a hive, there are queen bees, worker bees, and soldier bees. Each group has its own important role. The queen bee maintains the species, the worker bees collect nectar and build the nest, and the soldier bees defend the nest from enemies. The harmonious coordination between individuals in a bee colony has helped them survive and thrive for millions of years. Bees collect nectar from flowers and bring it back to their hives to turn into honey, a sweet and nutritious food that humans consume. This process is a series of elaborate and delicate tasks. Each bee can collect nectar from hundreds of flowers every day, and from that create honey for the entire hive to use during the winter. Bees are currently facing many threats, including habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change. This not only affects bee populations, but also endangers natural pollination. We need to act to protect bees and their natural environment, ensuring the survival of these indispensable pollinators. Thank you for joining us in exploring the world of bees, hard workers, and extremely important to the ecosystem. Remember, every little bee plays a big role in maintaining life on this planet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next interesting videos from the Wild Nature Channel.